Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. Welcome to another Motivational Monday, and on this Monday we are actually not going to be physically organizing or cleaning anything. Today I just kind of wanted to do a sit down quick chat with you guys about what you can do to get motivated. And I don't mean get motivated to like clean your house. I just mean to get motivated for life. Just mental motivation, getting the right mindset to just get up in the morning, enthusiastic about things, be more excited about your day and the things you're going to do. And I know right now, you know, in addition to everything that's going on in the world, we are dealing with the colder, dreary days of winter, which at least I am where I live. And I feel like we've been in isolation, and it's just been hard to get motivated and to get yourself up and moving in the morning and to get excited about things. So I just want to share with you some of the things that have helped me in the past and also continue to help me now when I am having some rough days. And I thought this would be interesting to you guys. Hopefully it will be helpful. And let's get started. So one of the things that I find really helps me to just have a more productive and better day is to get up early and have a really good morning routine. And if you need help doing this, or you have no idea where to begin in having a morning that's just going to really set you up for the day, I would highly recommend reading a book called The Miracle Morning, or you can listen to it, I believe, on Audible. This will give you a great game plan for getting up early and just getting things done early, or just getting in the right mind space for the day. And what I have taken away from this book that I read a very, very long time ago, a lot of the things that they talk about I still do today. And one of those things is when I get up in the morning, I try to wake up before everyone else in the house, start my day nice and early, and I will do yoga. I sometimes would keep a gratitude journal, and I feel like that's a really great way to start your day, is to sit down and think about all of the things that you're grateful for, not just waking up and thinking about all the things that you have to do, or all of the things that you're aggravated about, or going through emails and feeling overwhelmed with work, or going on Facebook and maybe not really enjoying what you're seeing there. I really recommend just sitting down and thinking about all of the things that you're grateful for. So that's a great way to get your day started, to feel more motivated to get up and do things. And also just doing something like yoga can really make such a big difference in the start of your day. I promise it helps so much. It can only be like 5 minutes. You don't even have to give it all that much time. Even if you just start with 5 to 10 minutes a day, I really think that's a great way to start your day and just get yourself in a better mood, really. I have also found some really great books that I've listened to on Audible that helped me kind of get more motivated just for life in general. One of them is The Secret by Rhonda Byrne. I think that's how you pronounce her last name. This is really, really a great Audible to listen to, actually, if you're kind of feeling low and you just want to feel better about things. This is a very powerful book. I also have recently enjoyed some more recent books, Greenlight by Matthew McConaughey, and also Girl Wash Your Face. Books like that can just really get you motivated for life, can get you just kind of thinking maybe more positively about things. So I'm sure there's so many more books. Those are just the books that came to mind right away that I more recently listened to. And I also feel like when you are planning something, it can really make you feel motivated to get things done. And that could be planning for, even if it's just for a get together with friends. Whenever we're having friends over or entertaining or doing anything like that, that is the time that I am really getting my house together. Excited about having things look nice because I have company coming over. So maybe I will make sure that everything is tidied up, and maybe I'll add some new decor to the house. And it just gets you excited about your environment, and it makes you want to do some of the things that you do. So having a dinner party or having friends over is really a great way to get yourself motivated. I also feel like something that puts me in a better mind frame altogether is planning for a vacation. And it doesn't have to be something that's happening anytime soon. Sometimes I'm planning for something that might not be happening for a year or even 2 years away. And I'm just so excited researching about the place that I'm traveling to, and maybe thinking of what I'm going to do when I'm there, and looking into different activities, and even planning wardrobe for the trip. I can do that for a very long time and be very excited and satisfied with just having that to occupy my mind, because it's all really exciting, happy thoughts, and it can really take you far. And even if it's something that maybe you're not even certain you're going to actually be doing, but you really hope to do someday, I have always planned for a trip to Europe, and I have been there once. And I can say the one time that we went to England and we went to France. I planned for this trip basically from the time I was 8 years old until I was well into my 20s. And I seriously had an agenda. I had a bucket list of things that I wanted to do and see. And I spent so much of my life planning for it. And it just really helped me to get excited and motivated about travel. And it was just a great thing for me in my life for many, many years. So that is something that you can also do. And, you know, it can be for years and years from now. It doesn't even matter. It's really going to make you feel good when you wake up in the morning and you have something to read about, to learn about, to watch YouTube videos about, and you can really get excited about something that will hopefully happen for you someday. So those are just some of the things that I have more recently been using to kind of get myself out of a rut and make me feel better about starting my day and getting things done. I definitely think also having a game plan for the day can make you feel motivated. So use whatever planner you have, or even if you just want to have a notebook and make a to-do list of things that you really need to get done throughout the day. And while you're check marking off the things that you need to do something fun along with it. So what I do is I will watch YouTube videos when I'm folding laundry. So I actually look forward to folding laundry, because that's kind of my downtime where I can catch up on some videos that I want to watch. And when I do dishes, I will listen to a podcast typically, or I'll be listening to an Audible. So the tasks that I, in the past, never really enjoyed, I now look forward to, because it's like I get to listen to this book that I, can't wait to hear what happens next, or I get to watch some of my favorite YouTubers because, it's time to do the laundry. So now that's my time for doing that. So I kind of pair good things with not so good things, and it just makes it more fun. So if you can find little techniques like that to add to your daily routine, which can be rather mundane sometimes, it just really makes things better, makes it more fun throughout your day. Even listening to your favorite music as you're cleaning the house, things like that really make a big difference. So I hope that you enjoyed today's Motivational Monday. I'm sorry that it's not more watching me physically accomplish something, but sometimes I think the biggest part of finding motivation is getting motivated in your mind, getting the right headspace to, get yourself in the mood to get some of these things done that have maybe been weighing on you. So thank you so much for watching. I hope that you're doing well wherever you're at. Please subscribe if you haven't done so already, and like this video if you've been enjoying my Motivational Mondays that I've been sharing throughout the month of January. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.